Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change the name of your business email in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And to change the name of your business email in Hostinger, simply click on Settings, then go to Identities. Here, select the Hostinger email that you want to change the name for. And here you will see Display Name. For example, let's go with another name. For example, let's go with Benz from Benz the Barber. Click on I will go with Ben the Barber. Click on Save. Now let's test this new name. I will send an email message to myself. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. This is the email, and here let's go with how to change your name in Hostinger business email. Click on Send. And this is how my name will looks like in my message sent to others. This is the name, and this is how it looks like in the on the other people inbox. And this is how to change your name in Hostinger business email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.